Bana Tea Company. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the leaves out of a Pu-erh tea cake. So to do that, you will need a couple of tools. A Pu-erh tray and a Pu-erh pick. Now, if you don't have these tools in your house, that is fine, because you can substitute them by using a letter opener or a knife. The only thing is, I have to remind you, if you use the pick or a knife, they're very sharp and you have to be very careful. This is a Pu-erh tea cake. A tea cake ranges in different sizes from 100 grams to 357 grams or bigger. This one is 200 grams. All the Pu-erh tea cakes are wrapped in a paper wrapper with information about the cake on one side, and then on the back side, usually there is a date stamp indicating the date of production for the cake. So to get the tea leaves out, the first thing you need to do is to remove the cake from the wrapper. Then you need to take the cake out and put it in the tray. You use one hand to hold and steady the cake while the other hand holding the pick and insert the pick into the tea cake. Now you be sure to point the pick away from the hand holding the tea cake. And then you slowly, gently lift the pick to loosen the tea leaves. Take out whatever amount of tea leaves you need. After you're done, and then you can rewrap the tea cake back into the wrapper. Now, chances are you are not going to be able to rewrap the tea cake in its original form. You can just put a rubber band around it, or you can put the tea cake into a Pu-erh bag, which is a Ziploc bag designed for Pu-erh cakes. Now you're done, and you can put this away until you need more tea in the future. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about Pu-erh or want more information, please visit my website at www.banateacompany.com. Thank you.